How to uninstall apps that won't uninstall on Android 2026. The uninstall button is grayed out. You've long pressed the icon, tried everything, and the app just won't go away. This happens for very specific reasons, and every single one has a fix. Let me walk you through all of them right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm giving you the complete 2026 guide to uninstalling stubborn apps on Android that refuse to be removed. Most stubborn apps fall into two categories: device admin apps, which are an easy fix, or system apps and bloatware, which require disabling or ADB commands. Let's go through every method step by step. Step 1. Force stop the app first. Go to Settings, find Apps or Applications, and scroll down to the troublesome app. Tap Force Stop. This terminates all app processes and releases any background locks that are preventing the uninstall from going through. After force stopping, go back and try uninstalling again. This alone fixes a surprising number of cases. Step 2. Revoke device administrator privileges. This is the most common reason the uninstall button is completely grayed out. Go to Settings, then Security, then Device Administrators, find the app and deactivate its admin privileges. Once admin access is revoked, go back to Settings, then Apps, find the app, and the uninstall button will now be fully active and clickable. Step 3. Clear cache and data before uninstalling. In the app's info page inside Settings, tap Storage, then hit Clear Cache and Clear Data. This resets any corrupted files that might be locking the app in place and makes the uninstall go through cleanly on the next attempt. Step 4. Use safe mode to uninstall. Boot into safe mode by holding the power button, then long pressing power off until the safe mode option appears. In safe mode, only system apps run, all third-party apps are temporarily disabled. From here, go to Settings, then Apps, find the stubborn app and uninstall it without any background services blocking the process. Step 5. Disable pre-installed bloatware you can't fully remove. Many Android phones come with pre-installed apps from the manufacturer or carrier that cannot be fully uninstalled. Go to Settings, then Apps, find the pre-installed app and tap Disable instead of Uninstall. Disabling an app stops it from running, removes it from the app drawer, prevents updates, and frees up storage. Step 6. Use ADB for complete removal as a last resort. Enable developer options on your phone by going to Settings, then About Phone, and tapping the build number 7 times. Then connect your phone to a PC, open a command prompt, and run the ADB uninstall command followed by the app's package name. This forcefully removes any app, including deep system bloatware, that no other method can touch. Here's your pro tip. If the uninstall control is still grayed out after revoking admin access, boot into safe mode to prevent third-party services from blocking deletion in the background. Combining safe mode with the device administrator revoke covers the vast majority of the hardest cases on Samsung,